Make a great choice today with the 2020 1500. This vehicle is powered by a 4-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 5.7-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, emergency braking preparation, remote engine start, cargo bed light, LED, active grille shutters, traction control, stability control, front suspension type, strut, roll stability control, auxiliary transmission fluid cooler. Inside you'll find voice-activated navigation system, heated steering wheel, electronic messaging assistance with read function, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, capless fuel filler system, cruise control, child safety locks, multifunction display, power steering, tachometer. Come take a test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.